Hey, what's up? Jigsaw here. Is your iPhone's notification system acting up after the iOS 18 update? If you're finding that alerts aren't appearing or are delayed, you're not alone. In this video, I will show you 7 effective solutions to help you troubleshoot and fix iPhone notification issues, ensuring you never miss an important message again. Let's go. If your iPhone notifications stopped working after updating to iOS 18, there are several fixes you can try to resolve the issue. First, open your device settings. Find Notifications. Tap on it, and ensure notifications are enabled for the specific app you're having issues with. For example here, I'll select Telegram. Enable the notification. Also, you can customize notification settings such as the banners, sounds, and badges. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Usually, if you are experiencing glitches or errors with your iPhone, the common solution is to perform a forced restart. Keep in mind though, that the specific combination of keys required to do this may vary depending on the model of iPhone you have. For iPhones with Face ID such as iPhone 10, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears. Check for any available updates for iOS 18. Sometimes, newer updates address bugs or compatibility issues. To do this, open Settings, go to General, and then Software Update. Focus mode also can block notifications from certain apps or during specific times. Open Control Center and check if focus mode is enabled. If focus mode, like Do Not Disturb, is enabled, it can silence notifications. Tap on Focus Mode to toggle it off if necessary. Some apps have their own in-app notification settings. Open the app and go to its Settings or Preferences. Ensure notifications are enabled within the app. If the issue persists with a specific app, try reinstalling it. Delete the app from your home screen. Then download it again from the App Store. Lastly, ensure Background App Refresh is enabled. This feature allows apps to update in the background, ensuring timely notifications. On Settings, go to General, then tap on Background App Refresh. Ensure it's turned on and check if the affected app is included in the list of apps allowed to refresh in the background. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or other problems with your Apple device, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.